How to learn to make a peanut butter sandwich. First, get the bread. Two breads. Now the peanut butter, which we always need for peanut butter sandwiches. Need orange peanut butter. Woo! Yep, that's good. Oh, that's real good. This is real good. Get that peanut butter. Sorry, I love peanut butter. Now let's put the top. Peanut butter sandwich is complete. Now time to taste it. Peanut butter. Peanut butter sandwich complete.